Look at my little ass running across the street just to get some Brown's barbecue. You know I'm happy. And these briskets look so good, smoking on the grills for hours and hours. Look at that meat plate. All those meats, man. Pause. And them sides. Potato salad. Yeah, potato salad. That is good potato salad, though. It is a little hot. I'm sweating. Brown's Barbecue has some vinegar-based coleslaw. It's actually really good. Y'all should try it. Yeah, that's some good coleslaw.
Coleslaw.
Really good coleslaw.
Hit them with the coleslaw. Yeah.
Birth to keep
We
on
got
testing now. I
beans.
don't even know what to do at this point.
Yeah, they're really good beans. You might want to try them. You might like them. The beans.
Oh, you talk about beans all the time. The beans, man. They're like, they taste like regular beans.
Sword fight. Sword fight. Sword fight.
Hey. The fuck, nigga?
Let me get some of that over there. Yeah, let me get some of that brisket. Yeah. That's my brisket now.
Nobody touching my damn brisket. What the hell? This barbecue does not need any barbecue sauce to do it any justice, but I'll tell you what, this barbecue sauce, I was talking my shit, smacking the table, double dipping. I was damn near about to drink that sauce. I'd have made me a little sandwich too, so I stole their meat because I ran out of meat on my end, and I was just pouring sauce all over. I double sauced it, triple sauced it. Look at this. Sauce dripping out. That was a delicious bite. So me and all my friends, we agreed that Brown's Barbecue is S tier, and if you haven't checked them out, then I guess you must not like barbecue.